In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Forms to QR codes. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to streamline data collection through easy, accessible scanning. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless system for sharing your forms that is both efficient and user-friendly. To get started, you'll first need to create a Google form with all the questions and details you want to collect. Once your form is set up perfectly, head to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a Send button. Clicking on that button opens up options for sharing your form, including an email, link, or embedding URL. Choose the link icon, and there you'll see a URL that links directly to your form. To make this link more manageable, click on the checkbox that shortens the URL. Now you have a concise, easy-to-copy link that is perfect for encoding into a QR code. Next, you'll want to head over to your browser and search for a QR code generator. There are numerous free options available online. You might choose a generator like QR Code Monkey or QR Stuff, both of which are popular and user-friendly. Once you've chosen a generator, simply paste your shortened Google Form URL into the relevant section of your chosen generator's website. It's time to customize your QR code if you wish. Many generators allow you to change the color, add a logo, or even adjust the design to better fit your brand's identity. Remember, while customization is appealing, clarity takes precedence. Ensure the QR code retains its scannability by testing it with your smartphone periodically during the customization process. Now it's time to generate your QR code. Depending on the website, this might be as simple as clicking a Create or Generate button. The process only takes a few seconds, and you'll soon have a digital file of the QR code ready for download. With your QR code downloaded, you can print it on various materials: flyers, posters, business cards, or any medium your audience frequently encounters. Testing the printed version is crucial. Scan it with a mobile device to ensure it leads directly to your Google form without any hiccups. As a pro tip, consider conducting a small trial by having a couple of people use the QR code to access the Google form. Their experience can offer valuable feedback if there's any troubleshooting needed. To wrap up, remember that linking Google Forms to QR codes is a fantastic strategy for engaging a wider audience in data collection, as the method integrates ease of use with robust accessibility. Feel free to revisit the steps outlined in this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy form sharing.